Have you ever wished that you could earn money while you sleep? This is what we refer to as passive income. You get passive revenue when you are not actively working. It should, ideally, generate revenue on a consistent basis and require minimal maintenance. Let's begin. Passive income can be divided into two categories. 1. Investment income. 2. Rental revenue. Investing in assets that have the potential to expand. Investing in stocks, rental properties, businesses, etc. Putting time and effort into constructing something that will provide income. Creating a blog, product, music, book, etc. The truth is that every form of passive income necessitates some work. You can't expect to make money by doing nothing. Choosing successful strategies and putting in the effort, on the other hand, will yield positive results. 6 ways to make $1,000 plus each month from passive income. 1. Stocks that pay dividends. Dividend stocks can be a reliable source of passive income. A corporation's earnings are paid to shareholders as dividends. Dividends are often given in cash, but they can also be paid in stock. The dividends are completely under your control. You can either withdraw or reinvest your dividends to boost your growth. Older, established firms frequently provide dividend-paying stocks. These stocks have a lower risk profile and can deliver a consistent stream of passive income while appreciating in value. However, a corporation's ability to pay dividends on a consistent basis cannot be guaranteed. You can invest in high dividend companies with any online brokerage. 2. Get your mortgage refinance. If mortgage rates have reduced or your credit score has improved, refinancing your house could save you money. A lower monthly interest rate can save you hundreds of dollars. If you can reduce your rate by at least 1%, it's usually worth refinancing. On a $300,000 mortgage, for example, the difference between 5% and 4% interest might be almost $300 per month. Over the course of the loan, you can save tens of thousands of dollars. The extra cash can then be put toward bills, investments, or retirement savings. Credible can assist you in quickly refinancing your mortgage. You may compare lenders and pre-qualify in only 5 minutes to save money on interest. 3. Get a parking space to rent. Do you have any parking spaces available? If you live in a metro area with easy access to local hotspots, you can make extra money by renting out your spare parking spaces. 2 apps that allow you to list your parking spaces are CurbFlip and Pavement. Drivers can use the app to reserve a spot and pay for it. Reservations can be made on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. 4. Invest in rental properties to diversify your investments. Did you know you can buy and sell real estate from the convenience of your own home? Real estate appreciates in value over time. Most investors, however, cannot afford the expenses and time required. Real estate crowdfunding apps are now accessible on the App Store. These sites are a fantastic method to make money while sleeping. They'll conduct study into obtaining undervalued buildings and restoring them so that they can resell them for a profit. Because each app is unique, conduct your research and select the best option for your investment style, financial timeline, and budget. 1. Ground floor. 2. Farm together. Or 3. Equity multiple. 5. Robo-advisor. Robo-advisor invests for you on a regular basis. You won't need any prior investing experience or skill because they will choose assets for you and manage your account. Relax and leave the rest to the investment platform. Simply answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the software will recommend an investment strategy. Now all you have to do is deposit funds into your account. Many robo-advisors have no minimum investment requirements, so you can get started investing even if you don't have a lot of cash. 1. Ally Robo Portfolio. 2. SigFig. 3. Vanguard Personal Advisor. Or 4. Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolio. And lastly, number 6. Crowdfunding for real estate. Historically, investing in real estate has necessitated a large sum of money up front. That, however, is no longer the case. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to pool money with other investors to fund properties. Your money will be invested in a variety of assets through the platform. There is no such thing as a learning curve. Dividends, the rental cash produced, and appreciation in the value of the property are 2 ways to profit. Typically, this is a 5-year or longer commitment. These real estate crowdfunding portals are open to everyone. 1. Fundraise. Or 2. Diversify fund. Passive income is the holy grail of financial independence. There are various techniques to develop multiple money sources regardless of your financial situation. To evaluate which passive income options are best for you, consider what you have on hand, whether it's cash, talents, or resources. The difficulty is to stick with a strategy after you've chosen one. Continue to remind yourself why you're doing this. Which method of passive income is the most effective for you? This was all from my side to guide you about the passive source of income through multiple ways. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.